Hello everyone, I am Divyashree. Our team is Girls Code. As we all know, in this pandemic situation, everything is virtual, including schools and hackathons. So we decided nursing the patient also be virtual. Our project comes under healthcare. What is pregnancy care? It is a user-friendly virtual platform for the pregnant woman to connect with doctors by having chat and video calls. In this pandemic situation, pregnant ladies cannot go outside for their regular checkup by risking their life in this COVID situation. So we developed a website called Pregnancy Care where the patients can have a virtual meeting with doctors. Our target audience are first-time mothers, low-income mothers, single mothers and young mothers. App functionality. First there will be a home page where you can find the basic details about the website. Then there will be a dashboard where you can book your appointment by the doctor's availability. Then there will be a check-in button where you can see the reminder about medicines and your upcoming appointments and etc. Then there will be a tab called Make Meeting where you can have your video call with your doctors. Finally, there will be a Resources tab where you can see videos and frequently asked questions. How we build it? We used basic HTML and materialized CSS for looking beautiful enough. Then we used Django and Python for backend, and to include a video call in a website, we used webRTC and socketIO. This is the sign-in page. If you are a new user, you can register by giving the necessary details. As I have already registered, I am going to log in directly. Enter your details, then log in. This is the home page where you can find why we created pregnancy care and all other basic details. In dashboard page, you can enter your pregnancy month. According to your pregnancy month, it will show you which trimester you are in. The first 3 months is called as in first trimester period, and second 3 months is called as the second trimester period. If I select an 8th month, 9th month, it will show you your third trimester period. The last 3 months period is called as in third trimester period. You can schedule your appointment here. And doctor's availability. In this we are given a 3 availability time. You can select any one from according to your flexibility, and then if you click book, your appointment is booked successfully. And also we are having a daily check-in in which there will be a daily reminder of your medication. Then you can send a note to your designated nurse, and also we have give some key advice for this pandemic. And make meeting page. Before having your call, you can attach your medical report, for example prescription, scan report or lab report, etc. I will select my scan report here. Okay, then if you click join call, you will direct to a video call page. We have also added a live chat where you can chat with your nurse live chat directly. If you click join call, your call will be connected with your doctor. If you share this unique URL in a new tab, you can have your call connected. Then there is a resources page. Here we have given 2 tabs. One is doctor's advice and second one is FAQ. In doctor's advice page, we have added 3 videos. We can still add. In this video, you can see some of the doctor's advices for pregnant women. It will be helpful for pregnant women. And there is an FAQ page. During pregnancy period, pregnant women will have many questions, doubts. So considering that, we have given an FAQ page where they can see and solve their queries. This is the code. So I have used Django and Python for backend. Dashboard code is here. Schedule appointment and doctor's availability, the code is here. And all the CSS and JavaScript is under a static folder. FAQ section is here. If you want to add extra questions, we can add here. Then meeting page, video call with your doctor before having your call. This is medical report. We can attach a medical report. This is the code. We can attach the medical report. Then nav bar. each page will be directed to the necessary page. Then resources HTML, we can registration page, sign in page, video. In this page I have used an webRTC and socketIO for video call. This is the web app I created in Django, and Agree is an app. In Agree I have connected the main app here. If I run the server, it will not show any error, and we can run the page in localhost 8000. Thank you.